Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2024 Ford Bronco Sport Heritage, coming in this nice robin egg blue coloring. This vehicle is powered by a 1.5 liter EcoBoost engine and comes equipped with the Heritage Convenience Package. Taking a look at the back here, we do have rear park sensing. You got that nice tow hitch. Got the nice whiteout Bronco logo. And we also have mud flaps on the rear. We got a nice little roof rack. These nice white accents along the sides. We also have blind spot detection and mud flaps on the front. And moving to the front, we do have that license plate bracket and that nice Bronco grille. This vehicle does come equipped with a remote start, so no need to go outside in the winter to heat up your vehicle. And with this vehicle, you can open up the glass by just hitting that button. And it does open up automatically for you, allowing you to have easy access to the top. And you can easily just close it as well. And to open it, you just lift it up with that, allowing you to have plenty of cargo space. You do have little hooks all around the back, a 12 volt just right there. Your lights are there. Holding this up, we do have a full-size spare tire with a ton of storage, and if you need more, you can always fold down that row as well. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle comfortably seats up to 5 pretty comfortably. We do have this nice heritage cloth interior with red and blue stitching accents. Plenty of door space with the blue and red accents on the door. And of course, if you don't need that extra person in the back, you do have 2 cup holders and some arm space. We do have some fans back here, USB and USB-C, and the Bronco logo just right there. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see the seats are powered with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. We do have the nice Bronco logo right there, plenty of door space. You have your trunk opener and lights just right there. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 24.3 kilometers. We do have a nice leather-wrapped steering wheel. You have your toggle for your menu. You have your phone, media, voice, volume, mute, and cruise control just there. Now looking at your main screen here, you have your radio, of course, phone, information, trip 1, my view, driving assist, navigation, and so on and so forth. And looking here, you have your gear shift, cup holders, wireless charging pad with some storage, USB and USB-C, and a nice little 12 volt. Parking brake, auto hold, your GOAT modes, which include normal, eco, sport, slippery, and sand. And looking over here, you got the engine start here with the nice white accents, heated seats, plus your dual climate, storage of course, nice leather up center console with a fair bit of storage with the USB and USB-C. And we do have our features for our moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle. And we do have a nice garage door opener. Now looking at your main screen here, you do have your navigation, what station you're currently on, what phone's connected, a Wi-Fi hotspot. For your audio, you do get Sirius XM capabilities, phone, navigation, any apps you may have downloaded, your settings such as FORDPASS, driving assist, Wi-Fi, update, navigation, so on and so forth, and this vehicle is compatible with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is RE89491, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.